VaBroom. Traditionally, a broom and a dustpan are used to clean the floor from large debris. These two tools are simple and effective. For a long time, it seemed that nothing better could be thought of, until VaBroom was invented. It is a broom that can be used without a dustpan. It is able to put all the garbage in a pile and place it in a special garbage compartment. The secret lies in its special design. Instead of a usual stick, VaBroom has a storage compartment and a small electric motor. There is a suction nozzle on the side of the brush. In fact, it is a mini vacuum cleaner. The vacuum power is activated when you tilt the broom and press the nozzle against the floor. VaBroom is suitable for removing a wide variety of dirt, from candy pieces and nuts to hair and broken glass. The volume capacity of VaBroom is about 230 milliliters. It costs $59. Makizume Robo. An ingrown toenail is a common form of nail disease when the nail grows so that it cuts into one side of the nail wall. The subsequent inflammation causes severe pain for the person affected. There are already known medical treatments for the disease. However, specialists continue to come up with more effective and faster methods. One of them is Makizume Robo. It is a tiny instrument equipped with 2 hooks and a replaceable pressurizer. There are several pressurizers in the set to fit the size of the affected nail. When the user turns the knob, the pressurizer extends, holding the nail plate in place. At the same time, the hooks attached to the edges of the nail are lifted. Then it is recommended to put the foot in hot water for about 20 minutes. The temperature should range from 38 to 42 degrees Celsius. There is no need to remove Makizume Robo. After the procedure, the position of the tool on the nail changes. The pressure is loosened by turning the knob, and the tool is placed parallel to the edge of the nail, which straightens the nail plate. Next, it is recommended to dry the nail without removing the Makizume Robo. This can be done with a hairdryer in about 10 minutes, until the nail plate hardens. The result is a straightened nail that no longer cuts into the skin and does not cause pain. If the skin is badly damaged, it is recommended to use Makizume Block. It is a chain with hooks that will hold the plate in its new position until the nail wall heals. The price of Makizume Robo is $178. Fuelmatics. The robotic system you see on the screen was developed by 2 companies, the Swedish company Fuelmatic Systems AB and the American company Husky Corporation. Their experts thought about how inconvenient fueling your car on your own can be, especially on cold or rainy days when you don't want to leave the warm, comfortable interior of your vehicle. The Fuelmatic's automatic refueling system solves this problem. The system makes it possible to fuel the car effortlessly. All you have to do is drive up to the gas pump. The user controls the refueling using a mobile phone. The robot finds the fuel tank cap using an integrated camera and then opens it up with a suction cup. Then the robot attaches the hose and fuels the car without spilling a drop. You can pay using your card or the mobile application. The whole process can be tracked on the monitor in the smart fuel dispenser. The creators of Fuelmatics claim their system allows you to refuel your car 30% faster. Ditto-Sama T10E. On average, it takes 30 to 60 seconds to peel a single potato. It may seem pretty quick, however, if you need to peel a lot of potatoes, for example for catering, the procedure can take up to an hour. Here's a vegetable peeling machine that greatly improves productivity in the kitchen. It frees up workers for at least an hour. They can spend that time on something more useful and productive. The device can be used not only to peel potatoes, but also to peel onions and any other tubers. The vegetable loading tank has a capacity of 10 kilograms. At the same time, this machine is able to process up to 160 kilograms of vegetables per hour. Also, the manufacturer offers several other models with different load capacities ranging from 5 to 25 kilograms. Peeling is carried out by an abrasive plate installed at the bottom of the tank. It is noteworthy that the peel is practically ground to pulp. This greatly simplifies the process of cleaning the equipment. Also, the design is equipped with special detectors which stop the mechanism when the lid is open. Watch your step. According to statistics, every year more than 11,000 people go to hospitals after slipping on ice. It costs the citizens and the state quite a lot of money, not to mention the money spent on clearing the streets of snow and ice. Workers don't always have time to cope with the huge amounts of snow and ice, but Watch Your Step can help. The device looks like a very ordinary mat. However, a few of these mats can save money and in some cases even save a person's life. That's because they can be heated to melt the snow, and at the same time they prevent the water from turning into ice. Watch Your Step has a lot of advantages. It can be operated using a remote control, and it is energy efficient. This way, you should not be afraid to slip and fall. Watch Your Step also eliminates the need to clear the stairs or a roadside area from snow, and you can forget about toxic reagents. Watch Your Step is safe and environmentally friendly. The device was developed by specialists from Canada. It can be bought at a price ranging between $75 and $400, depending on the size and number of mats. Stratolaunch. The plane you see on the screen bears two outstanding titles at the same time. Firstly, it is a unique aircraft with two fuselages. Second, to date, it is the aircraft with the largest wingspan in history. It is 117 meters wide. The first flight of this huge machine weighing 250 tons took place recently on April 13, 2019. Tests were held at the Mojave Air and Spaceport, California, USA. The flight lasted 2 hours and 29 minutes and concluded with a successful landing. It took more than 8 years to develop this huge vehicle. For the first time, the plane was mentioned in December 2011. The Stratolaunch is powered by 6 Pratt & Whitney PW4056 twin-circuit turbojet engines. The plane is 73 meters long. It is noteworthy that the maximum takeoff weight is 590 tons, which is more than twice the weight of the vessel itself. Ground tests were conducted in January this year. The plane detached the front landing gears from the ground and reached a speed of 226 kilometers per hour. During the last test, the airplane reached a speed of 304 kilometers per hour. In the future, Stratolaunch will be used to launch rockets into space. The rockets will be launched directly from the plane in the air, saving a significant amount of rocket fuel.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.